Hello, auto expert community. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release from Ford that's set to redefine the compact pickup segment, the all-new 2025 Ford Maverick Lobo. This performance-oriented street truck brings back the spirit of the classic street performance pickups from the mid-1980s to early 2000s. Blending modern engineering with nostalgic flair, design and styling, the Maverick Lobo stands out with its aggressive and sleek design. It features a unique front fascia and grille, complemented by body color side skirts and a painted rear bumper. The black painted roof adds a distinctive touch, seamlessly integrating with the 19-inch black turbo-fanciful alloy wheels that harken back to rally-inspired aesthetics. Inside, the cabin is adorned with black upholstery highlighted by grabber blue and electric lime stitching and graffiti-inspired seat patterns, infusing a youthful and dynamic vibe into the interior. Performance and handling under the hood, the Maverick Lobo is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine, delivering 238 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission featuring paddle shifters for a more engaging driving experience. The suspension has been lowered 0.5 inches in the front and 1.12 inches in the rear, resulting in a roofline that's 0.8 inch lower than the standard Maverick. This modification, along with retuned shocks and steering, enhances on-road performance and handling. To further improve driving dynamics, the Lobo incorporates a twin-clutch rear drive unit, enabling torque vectoring that enhances cornering stability and reduces understeer. The braking system has been upgraded with larger rotors and dual-piston front calipers, sourced from the European Ford Focus ST, ensuring robust stopping power. Advanced features: the Maverick Lobo introduces a unique Lobo mode. Designed for close-course driving, this mode optimizes torque vectoring and reduces stability control intervention, providing a more exhilarating driving experience reminiscent of the Mustang's track mode. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with an enhanced cooling system, including a larger radiator and transmission oil cooler to maintain optimal performance during spirited drives. Configurations and pricing: Ford offers the Maverick Lobo in 2 configurations, standard and high. The standard model comes well equipped at a starting price of $36,595, including destination charges. The high configuration, priced at $42,090, adds premium features such as heated seats, a heated steering wheel, a 360-degree camera system, a sunroof, and advanced towing assist technologies like Pro Trailer Hitch Assist and Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Availability orders for the 2025 Ford Maverick Lobo are open as of August 1, 2024, with deliveries expected to commence in early 2025. This model is poised to attract enthusiasts looking for a compact truck that combines performance, style, and modern features in a unique package. For more detailed information and to stay updated on the latest automotive news, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Maverick Lobo and if it's the street truck you've been waiting for.